In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trace a logo in Photoshop. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to convert a logo image into clean vector style paths using a built-in feature so you can scale it, recolor it, and keep those crisp edges. Start by opening Adobe Photoshop and loading the image of your logo. It helps if the logo has good contrast against its background, but don't worry, we'll let Photoshop do most of the heavy lifting. Next, move up to the Edit menu, scroll down to Preferences, and choose Technology Preview. This is where Adobe places experimental or advanced features. In that panel, turn on the option called Enable Content Aware Tracing Tool. Click OK to confirm. You'll need to restart Photoshop for the change to take effect, so save any open work and relaunch the app. This quick restart ensures the tool appears and works correctly. Once Photoshop is back open with your logo, look to the toolbar on the left where you normally find the pen tool. Click and hold on the pen tool group to reveal related tools, then choose the Content Aware Tracing tool. This tool uses edge detection to analyze your image and suggest paths that follow the shapes of your logo. It's designed to reduce the manual clicking you'd normally do with the standard pen tool. Now start tracing your logo. Hover over edges and you'll see Photoshop preview the outline it detects. Click to confirm segments and continue around the logo until you've captured each part you need. If a curve isn't perfect, zoom in for precision and refine as you go. You can switch to the regular pen or the direct selection tool after placing paths to nudge anchor points and handles for a cleaner result, but keep your focus on following the logo's true edges. Take your time around small corners and inner holes, since those details make a big difference in the final look. When you're happy with the paths, you can fill them with color. Choose the fill option in the toolbar or properties, pick a solid color that matches your brand, and apply it to the shape or path you created. If you need multiple colors, trace and fill each section separately. This gives you flexibility to recolor later without degrading quality. And that's it. You've traced your logo in Photoshop using the Content Aware Tracing tool, giving you scalable, editable artwork with clean edges. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.